Hi there. One of the things we get asked the most as admins, or questions that get posed on the forum, is what router shall I buy? Have you got a router, who knows? Which one shall I buy, and which is good value for money? Now, I've got one of these that was expensive, except I bought it on eBay, and it was a bargain on eBay. But I think they go for over £200 now. One of the big favoured ones over the past few months has been a Katsu, but once you buy the base and the trend and the Silverline guides to go in the bottom, the price starts to go up a bit. This has been an old trusty workhorse as well, bought from a boot sale for a tenner. As you can see, it looks, you can see that, looks very similar to the DeWalt, same sort of castings. So I thought I'd try and show you a budget option that was on Amazon, and this is the Silverline one. I'm going to open the box. It's not opened, it's brand new. I'm going to open the box, see what's in there, and put some more on the video. Right, here we go. It's all out the box, and as I said before, it is a budget router, so I wasn't expecting too much. It makes a bit of a squeak, so it probably needs a bit of lube. It comes with a guide, which looks extremely coarse. Other than that, it looks very similar to the Power Devil, which is ancient. Once I've plugged it in, put it together, then we'll see how good it is. One thing I would say that's concerned me is this flex seems very, very thin compared to the DeWalt one. Now obviously the DeWalt one is expensive and the Silverline one isn't, but that does concern me in something that's supposed to be 1000 watts, but we'll see. Okay, it's all put together. I've put a new trend bit in it eventually, and the collet is spring loaded, so it popped out. I undone it and the nut jumped off, and there's a spring behind it, which I've not seen before, but maybe that's how they do it. It certainly isn't in the DeWalt, and I don't think it's in the Power Devil, so I'm just going to connect this up to the Hoover, and we'll fire off a quick line. Okay, there you go. No drama, did a straight line, pressed against the straight edge obviously, but no problem at all. Connected to the Hoover, so very little dust. Worked well. Okay, well that was a quick test. As you can see, cut a nice straight line, no wandering off. As far as I can see, the collet and the bearing are nice and tight, because that's a 1/4 inch piece of ply. It was a 1/4 inch bit, and it fits pretty well. There's no, well, obviously it's a bit loose because that's how it is, but it fitted well, and I would say it's enough to put draw liners in and things like that. What I do say is, being a budget router, castings are a bit rough. That's a bit rough. It doesn't fit the Silverline templates, which I have no idea. The only router that seems to fit them is the Katsu and the Makita. Maybe one of the Bosch trimmers, but I don't know. Maybe someone can confirm that for me. And primarily, I wanted a router that fitted these. But, you know, for £37, £38, the only other disadvantage I can see is the power button. You've got to hold it in, much like the Power Devil. Whereas the DeWalt locks in, so you can cut what you want. My only concern is the power lead. Other than that, for the money, pretty good. It's got a plunge base, and the dust extraction is good, which is better than the Katsu. I've tried to cobble something up, but that still sprays dust everywhere. But it's not really like for like. That's a tiny little thing that you can use for carving. and this is quite a beast. The dust extraction works well, but this might be a little bit flimsy, might snap, but who knows. Some of the screws underneath, as you can see, maybe you can see, they're, I don't know what metal they're made of, cheese, something like that. But all in all, not bad for the price. How it compares to an Azito from Homebase, I couldn't say because I haven't got one. But I know Skip's had some issues with his, and he had to remove the spindle lock. But other than that, not bad at all.